my channel. My name is Faith and I am so excited for today's video. As you can see, I got all festive for it. My red nails, my green sweater, feeling Christmassy, the Christmas tree behind me with the lights on. Anyways, today's video is a recipe collaboration with some of my favorite YouTubers, which I know all of you guys know who they are, and we're making some amazing Christmas recipes for you guys to make for Christmas, which is like 3-4 days away by the time I show this video. But yeah, I was so excited to make this video with Shoemaker, Jasmine from Sweet Simple Vegan, Naomi from Naomi the Sweetest Potato, and then Lisa Reimi. Have I ever said your name out loud? I don't think so. I'm so sorry. Reimi? You guys know who they are, and they made some amazing recipes. I am about to show you how I made these homemade vegan Pop-Tarts, which are so flaky. Like, I was amazed at how flaky they were. Filled with jam, and they're just like, they'll be the perfect thing for Christmas morning to wow your friends or your family. So I'll show you guys how to make those in a sec, but first I just want to share with you guys what the other girls are making so that you can go check out their videos, which I'll link below. And I really hope you guys check their videos out, make their recipes, subscribe to their channels because they're amazing girls, and I so wish I wasn't all the way over here in China so I can meet them in person because I watch their videos all the time, and yeah, it would be sweet to meet them in person. But okay, so Caitlin is gonna make these vanilla almond snowmen, which look adorable, and I can't wait for the recipe because I really want to make them. Yeah, then Lisa is gonna make Santa hat chocolate cakes, which are also so cute. These girls are just so talented with their decorating skills. But it looks like a chocolate brownie with a strawberry hat and just the cutest thing. Naomi is gonna make chocolate whoopie pies with peppermint frosting, which I'm pretty sure she just said all of my favorite foods all in one title, so be sure to check those out. And then the last one is Jasmine from Sweet Simple Vegan is making this amazing looking gingerbread loaf with sweet potato frosting. Sounds awesome, and something so easy for me to make here in China because sweet potatoes are everywhere. But I really hope after you watch how to make these homemade Pop-Tarts, you go over to their channels, check them out, subscribe, leave comments, some encouragement, and yeah, let's dive into the video. Okay, so that's how you make my homemade flaky Pop-Tarts, which would be perfect for Christmas morning. Please let me know if you guys end up making them, what you thought, what you guys ate on Christmas. I would love to know. But for now, I'm going to go eat this Pop-Tart with some tea by my tree and feel as festive as I can with the roosters crowing outside. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Christmas with your friends, with your family, wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!